Alright, let's do a little quick unboxing of the SCUF Valor Pro wireless sans fill. I don't know what that means, but this controller, we're getting it out. Oh, that was interesting. That sits right over that, protects it. It was stuck to the top of the box, but that's kind of cool. Looks very nice. It's got the little wireless dongle there. I'm gonna pop that out like that, and we'll be plugging that in later. Let's see. I'm assuming there is a USB cord in here. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, and extra thumbsticks there. Those are domed up with some little grooves in the sides. Pretty interesting. And this is USB-A to USB-C. Plug in right in front of the controller. Alright, let's pull this plastic off here. I like the looks of that. I'm going to switch that to Xbox. You got your trigger adjustments. You got your paddles. 2 sets. This one. And that one. Triggers are adjustable. Has the TMR analog sticks as they go. Volume controls are here for your headset. I really like the looks of that. It's going to be interesting to try out. So, all right. I'm going to plug that in, let it be charging, and we'll do a little review of how it works, how well it does later on. I probably won't use that cord. That's okay. That cord can be left in the box. Those can stay in there too. So let's see. Yeah. Come off of there. Come up out of there and do that. Okay. Put that back in there. Keep that and that out. I'll throw that plastic back in there. Just in case, I like to keep everything. If there's any kind of warranty claims or anything, sorry about that. But tells you a little bit about it on the back. Wireless, let's see, customizable rear paddles, anti-drift thumbsticks, ultra-fast wireless connectivity. I don't know what that means. Guess there'll be less lag. Audio control, 17 hours battery life, non-slip performance. It does have a rather odd texture to it on the top even. And on the bottom, this is texture is a rubber type. That's got a good grip to it. I like that. Alright guys, there's your unboxing. The SCUF Valor Pro wireless controller with a wireless dongle. And we'll be doing a trial run of that later today, probably. Thanks for watching.